I don't know how good this will be. I've never done it this way before.
We've never done this before.
You ready?
Is this how they started the fire in them all?
That is correct.
Oh, okay. Better be ready, Willie. Ooh.
Energy.
Cool. The original game of Pong. I don't know. I'm afraid of little ball.
Now, why is it moving?
Energy.
Where's that energy coming from?
The heat. I think.
That's kind of a... We'll see if we can get it more exciting. It's still kind of cool to watch sodium.
Afraid.
Look how it's flying. It's trying to get out.
I remember reading a book where a house exploded because they had sodium in the house.
It turns basic right away, doesn't it?
Let's just use the whole chunk.
That's still a pretty big chunk.
It's about twice the size. It's twice the size of that one.
Well, watch the... What's going on? What is that? What's the smoke? Hydrogen gas. So what is really burning here? Yeah, the flame is... There's enough energy that's being released from the reaction that we're actually igniting the hydrogen that is coming off of the...
Cool. What are the sparks for? Like, why are there sparks occasionally?
I don't know.
Oh.
But it's like you can see that it looks like what's igniting is not really the ball itself.
But everything around the ball.
Yeah, around the ball. So the ball is the sodium.
It's like it's floating on fire almost.
Right. And I wonder, can you guys can come over here and look? You guys can come over closer. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Is it is it floating on the water?
Oh. Sorry.
Ready?
Oh. Dude.
Ogden, you don't have... Whoa! You don't have your goggles on.
Did it again. Oh my God.
You don't know. Ogden, did you get hit? What? Ah, we're not getting enough heat this time. It's trying though.
Oh.
Yeah, I saw a spark.
Never say never. You just said that right.
Know how to treat, chemistry safely. Okay, here we go. Let's get this one. Fire extinguisher handy? Yep. I don't think that'll be a problem, but... Okay. Ah, I forgot the phenolphthalein. That's okay.
It's interesting, I know. Oh, it's different.
This is, yeah. Fireworks.
Hey. You still get the explosion.
Oh.
He just jumped out.
Well, that was interesting.